What is happening with Bitcoin on August 1st? In this video, we're going to explain a little bit of what's going on and what you can do about it. Now, on August 1st, there lurks the possibility that Bitcoin is going to split into two different coins. And the reason is that the core developers have one way of advancing the Bitcoin technology, and the miners have another way of advancing the Bitcoin technology. Without getting too technical, they basically can't come to an agreement, and so it looks as if we're going to have two different versions, and we don't know yet which one is going to play out and become the future of Bitcoin. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of panic going on since there's a lot of uncertainty. People are selling, the price has plummeted, and that's also affecting other altcoins. And for the next couple of weeks, it's just going to be a wild ride while we see this value go up and down based on speculation and based on different factors that's going to play out. And based on the news that's going to come out of this while they try to figure out what's the best thing to do moving forward. So one of the reasons that Bitcoin has been going down is that newer investors are panic selling right now because no one is sure exactly what's going to play out. A lot of the people that joined the community and bought Bitcoin over the last couple of months while Ethereum had its big breakout, Dash and Ripple and all the other altcoins had their big breakout, they're panicking and they're selling. So that has caused the price over the last few days to keep going down. And if you're wondering why that's been happening and you haven't been following the news and reading the forums, then that's the reason. It's because this deadline is approaching and people are scared and they're just selling. So if you were wondering that, that's the reason. There's also whales, which are code name for large investors who are manipulating the market. I mean, they're buying every time it dips, like you see where it says low one here, they're buying at those levels. And they're automatically selling at higher points. And as soon as it hits those levels, they dump a large amount of coins into the market. So every time it goes up and down, they buy low and they sell high. And even though they're making small percentages with the amount of money they're investing, they're making good money. So it keeps going up and down, and every time it goes down, it goes lower because the regular folks like you and I, and we're selling, because people are panicking. So that's one reason that it keeps going down, because with every new set of news, people are selling because they're not sure exactly what's going to happen. What should you do about it? Well, in this video, we're going to focus more on if there's a split. I mean, if there's really not a split, there's not much to do. But since it's a high possibility that may happen, we're just going to go into some precautions that you can take in order to safeguard your Bitcoins if you have, especially if it's a large amount. I mean, if it's only, a part of Bitcoin, I mean, a couple $100s, you may be okay just leaving it wherever it is, if it's in an exchange or in an online wallet such as Coinbase. But if you have a large amount, or if you want to safeguard the small amount you have, you're better off removing the Bitcoins from any online banks, hosted wallets, and exchanges and putting it into a cold wallet, which will ensure you have possession of your private keys. And so that in the event of a split, then you would have your coins on both blockchains instead of, it's splitting and then the wallet provider or the bank says, hey, it didn't split for us, and we're only going to give you what you have, or we're only going to give you coins on this chain and not the other. Or, you never know what can happen. They may lose it. So, I don't know about you, but with my money, I want to be in control. So we would recommend having full control by having a cold wallet and keeping it safe before August 1st. Do not send or receive any transactions for 12 hours before August 1st and up to a few days after. This is recommended regardless of what happens, because we don't know exactly how this is going to go. So this is a precaution that we are advising our community, and we've been advised from larger communities to just let's see how it plays out on August 1st, and then we can continue to process maybe after a few days, and we get the all clear from the developers, and we see what happens, which chain is which, and we can go on from there. We also need to be keeping up with the news in the forums. Every day there's something new coming out, and we want to be up to date with that. You can read on altcoin forum, tradingforum.com or bitcointalk.com with what's going on in the market and what you can do about it. And I mean, this has happened before. Bitcoin has gone down, it's crashed, it's been said that it's gonna die, and all these things have happened, but it always comes back stronger. So this is just another bump in the road, and it's just a good opportunity to get in for those of us who couldn't get in when it was $10 or $20. This is going to be an opportunity for us to buy some and hold and be part of the future of Bitcoin. So I know things are looking bad right now, but we just have to ride the wave, and it will go back up, because we have seen it throughout the years go down when these events happen, and it goes right back up 10 times stronger when it comes back. So that's all for now. You can visit our forum, altcointradingforum.com, or the bigger forum, bitcointalk.com, for more information in terms of this split. And we hope that you've enjoyed the video. Thank you.